Hi, you're welcome to GMath class. Now let's solve this problem on the indices. So find x and y if 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 640. So we try and express this as a product of 64 and 10. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 64 times 10. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 64 is a multiple of 2. So that is 2 raised to the power of 6 times 10. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 times, now this 10 is 5 times 2. So 5 times 2, 2 times 5, okay? So now we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 1. When the bases are the same thing, you can add the powers together. So times 5. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7 times 4 plus 1. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7. Now we open the bracket, so this will multiply itself with this. So times 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 7 times 1. That's 2 raised to the power of 7. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7 times 2 raised to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 7. So this gives us 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 7 plus 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 7. Okay, so the last stage now will be 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of y equals to 2 raised to the power of 9 plus 2 raised to the power of 7. Okay, can you see that? So from here we can now do comparison. So we now say that x will be 9, x equals to 9, and also y equals to 7. So y equals to 7. So this is going to be the answer to this problem. So thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Thanks.